Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nova Agent token. Ticker symbol is NovaAI. And this token is on the Base chain. You can find it on basescan.org. 18 decimal places, max total supply, 10 billion NovaAI tokens. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, May 9th. And we're going to talk about this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Novatech, the future of blockchain powered by intelligence, revolutionizing blockchain with AI. Novatech represents the next generation of blockchain technology, integrating artificial intelligence with decentralized systems to enhance security, efficiency, and automation. The project is built on NovaAI blockchain, a proprietary blockchain network designed to optimize transactions, prevent fraud, and introduce AI-driven smart contract automation. In a rapidly evolving crypto space, Novatech provides real working AI solutions, offering smarter transactions, lower fees, enhanced security, and decentralized intelligence. With a unique AI-driven mining mechanism and its own secure NovaAI wallet, Novatech ensures broad accessibility and fair token distribution. So they have here the new listing today. This token just got listed this morning. May 9th, 7 a.m. UTC time, the NovaAI token got listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search NovaAI, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here, they have a Git book that's going to have all the info you need, novaai.gitbook.io. I'm also going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project. There's also some other very big projects being listed today on MEXC Global, so make sure you check those out as well. So it says NovaAI blockchain, AI integrated layer 1 blockchain. NovaAI is a custom-built layer 1 blockchain designed to integrate AI models directly into its core functions. Unlike traditional blockchains that operate on static rules, NovaAI dynamically adapts to changing market conditions, optimizing speed, security, and transaction costs through AI-driven automation. Now, the AI traction engine is responsible for predicting and optimizing transaction fees, identifying potential risks, and enhancing smart contract execution. Key features include dynamic gas fee adjustment, so AI predicts congestion levels and adjusts fees in real time, preventing unnecessary overpayment. Then we have security risk detection. So the engine scans transactions for suspicious activities and blocks fraudulent transfers before they happen. There's smart contract execution optimization. So AI ensures efficient contract execution, reducing failed transactions, and optimizing gas costs. And we have AI mining protocol. So traditional proof of work, POW mining, is energy intensive and centralized, favoring large mining pools. NovaAI replaces this with an AI-powered decentralized mining system, ensuring fairness and energy efficiency. Also, adaptive difficulty adjustment. So AI continuously assesses mining conditions to maintain fair competition. Also, low energy AI-based mining. Unlike traditional POW, NovaAI uses an energy-efficient AI mining algorithm that allows users to mine on lower end devices, making it accessible to a wider audience. Decentralized mining network. Now, this system prevents mining centralization, distributing rewards equitably based on AI calculated efficiency and contribution. Now, they have the decentralized data storage with AI optimization. So most blockchains rely on traditional centralized or semi-centralized data storage, leading to security vulnerabilities and scalability issues. So NovaAI introduces AI-enhanced decentralized storage, which optimizes data retrieval, redundancy, and security. Features include AI-optimized data sharding, so the blockchain intelligently distributes data across multiple nodes, reducing congestion and improving access speeds. Also, predictive storage allocation. AI predicts storage demands and pre-allocates resources efficiently. And enhanced security, so AI-driven anomaly detection ensures that stored data remains secure and immutable. Now, the tokenomics, NovaAI token has a total supply of 10 billion tokens, but how it's split up, how the tokens are allocated, we got 30% of the tokens going to community and ecosystem, 10% going to rewards and incentives, 10% liquidity mining, 5% airdrops and community engagement, 7% goes to the team, 3% advisors, 5% investors, 5% seed round, 10% private sale, 5% ecosystem fund, 5% reserve fund, and 5% marketing and operations. Lastly, the token's utility is for, the token can be used for platform transactions, rewards, and fees, governance, voting, and decision making within the decentralized autonomous organization, and NFT marketplace transactions and asset management. You can learn more about the team on their Gitbook as well. Go check this token out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC global one where this token just got listed today. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.